Close your eyes. Itapos imong mata. Close your eyes. Tingog na ang owl.
Wake up.
No, not yet. Close your eyes first. You have to close your eyes. You're taking your nap.